Meet Bryan Johnson, an eccentric billionaire, visionary entrepreneur, and biohacker on a mission to turn back the clock on aging. He sold his company, Braintree, to PayPal for a whopping $800 million. Now, he's investing $2 million every year to rejuvenate his body and slow the aging process. Bryan is currently ranked number 3 on the Rejuvenation Olympics leaderboard. Stay tuned to discover the fundamentals of his extraordinary longevity routine. Bryan's diet is designed for longevity and optimal health. He consumes around 2,000 calories a day, carefully balanced to provide all the nutrients his body needs while maintaining a 10% calorie restriction. This moderate restriction is known to promote longevity and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. His diet is entirely vegan, chosen not just for health reasons, but also for ethical considerations. Bryan's daily meals include green giant smoothie, packed with chlorella powder, spermidine, creatine, collagen peptides, cocoa flavonols, and cinnamon. This powerhouse smoothie is designed to boost cognitive function and overall vitality. Super Veggie, a nutrient-dense mix of broccoli, cauliflower, shiitake mushrooms, black lentils, hemp seeds, garlic, and ginger, topped with olive oil and dark chocolate. It's a flavorful way to get a variety of essential nutrients. Nutty Pudding, made with macadamia nuts, walnuts, flax seeds, cinnamon, berries, and pomegranate juice. This dessert-like meal provides healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. A standout feature of Bryan's diet is his daily intake of 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which are known to support heart health and reduce inflammation. Timing is crucial in Bryan's diet. He consumes his first meal at 7 a.m. and finishes his last meal by 11 a.m., adhering to an 18-hour fasting window for the rest of the day. This eating pattern helps in optimizing metabolism and promoting cellular repair. If you thought his diet was crazy, just wait until you see his exercise routine. Bryan's exercise regimen is both comprehensive and intense, targeting all major muscle groups and ensuring overall physical fitness. Here's a breakdown. He dedicates 1 hour every day to his exercise routine, totaling around 7 hours weekly. This commitment ensures he stays active and maintains a high level of fitness. His routine includes approximately 25 different exercises, providing a well-rounded approach to fitness that targets various muscle groups and improves overall body strength and flexibility. Bryan's workouts are carefully monitored to ensure he spends adequate time in different heart rate zones, 88 to 105 beats per minute. Around 1 hour per week is spent in this low-intensity zone, which is great for warming up and cooling down, 106 to 159 beats per minute. He spends approximately 4 hours and 30 minutes weekly in this moderate intensity zone, which enhances cardiovascular health and overall endurance, 159 plus beats per minute. About 90 minutes each week are dedicated to high-intensity exercises, pushing his body to its limits to build strength and improve aerobic capacity. It gets even more astonishing with his supplement regimen. Bryan's supplement routine is designed to optimize every aspect of his health, from cellular function to cognitive performance. He takes 111 pills every day, costing approximately $11 per day, carefully selected and dosed based on regular health metrics and scientific research. Here's a closer look at his regimen. Upon waking, Bryan begins his day with a specific set of supplements aimed at jump-starting his body. For example, he takes ashwagandha, known for its stress-reducing and hormone-balancing properties, and EPA concentrate, an omega-3 fatty acid crucial for heart and brain health. Throughout the day, Bryan takes an extensive amount of supplements with his meals to support overall health and longevity. His regimen includes vitamins, minerals, and specialized compounds that enhance everything from cognitive function to immune support. As the day winds down, he prepares his body for rest and recovery with a final set of supplements. This includes melatonin, which helps regulate sleep cycles, ensuring he gets the restorative sleep needed for optimal health. Bryan's supplements are meticulously prepared 2 weeks in advance by his team to ensure consistency and accuracy. This approach is highly data-driven, with regular testing and adjustments based on his body's needs. A complete list of Bryan's supplements and their dosages is available in his blueprint protocol on his website. Bryan maintains a strict sleep schedule, going to bed at 8:30 p.m. and waking up at 5 a.m. This consistency helps regulate his body's internal clock, promoting better sleep quality and overall health. Bryan ensures he fasts for 10 hours before going to sleep. This practice helps his body focus on rest and recovery rather than digestion. Bryan uses the Whoop band to meticulously track his sleep. The device monitors his sleep stages, heart rate, and recovery, helping him achieve a perfect sleep score for 8 months straight. Bryan avoids caffeine and alcohol entirely, ensuring these substances don't interfere with his sleep quality. By eliminating these stimulants, he promotes deeper and more restorative sleep. In the evenings, Bryan takes measures to prevent blue light exposure, which can disrupt the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. He uses night shift settings on his devices and wears blue-blocking glasses to minimize blue light exposure. Bryan's sleep environment is perfectly optimized. He uses blackout curtains to ensure his bedroom is completely dark, eliminating any light disruptions. He maintains an optimal temperature in his bedroom to enhance sleep quality. Bryan sleeps alone to avoid disturbances and ensure uninterrupted rest. In the morning, Bryan makes it a point to get sunlight exposure. This natural light helps regulate his circadian rhythm, promoting wakefulness during the day and better sleep at night. In this final chapter, we're diving into Bryan Johnson's advanced youth enhancement techniques. These additional strategies are key to maintaining his youthful appearance and optimizing his overall health. Bryan Johnson goes beyond the fundamentals of nutrition, exercise, supplements, and sleep with a series of advanced techniques aimed at preserving youthfulness and enhancing his appearance. For hair care, he uses topical dutasteride and minoxidil to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss, ensuring a full and healthy head of hair. Complementing this, red light therapy is employed for both hair and skin, stimulating hair follicles and enhancing skin health by promoting collagen production and reducing inflammation. When it comes to skincare, Bryan incorporates microneedling and laser therapy into his routine. These treatments help rejuvenate the skin, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin texture by creating micro-injuries that stimulate the skin's natural healing process. Additionally, his skincare regimen includes powerful ingredients like retinol and vitamin C. Retinol aids in cell turnover and reduces signs of aging, while vitamin C brightens the skin and provides antioxidant protection. To further optimize his health, Bryan engages in heart rate variability, HRV training. This practice enhances stress management and overall cardiovascular health by monitoring HRV and optimizing the body's response to stress. He is also experimenting with cutting-edge therapies to push the boundaries of longevity. He receives blood transfusions from his son to rejuvenate his body with younger blood, which is believed to carry age-defying benefits. Additionally, he utilizes stem cell therapy for joint health and regeneration, aiming to repair and enhance joint function. Moreover, Bryan is exploring gene therapy to potentially reverse the aging process at the cellular level and address genetic factors that contribute to aging. These advanced youth enhancement techniques complement Bryan Johnson's fundamental routines of nutrition, exercise, supplements, and sleep. By integrating these strategies, he achieves a comprehensive approach to longevity and youthfulness. Bryan Johnson's dedication to longevity is matched only by his commitment to data-driven insights. He describes himself as the most tested person on the planet, undergoing a comprehensive array of tests to monitor every aspect of his health. This meticulous approach allows him to make informed decisions and adjustments to his routine. Let's explore. His commitment to longevity involves extensive testing, monitoring over 50 blood biomarkers regularly. Advanced imaging techniques like MRI and CT scans provide detailed insights into his internal health, while genetic testing allows tailored preventative strategies. Continuous glucose monitors track his blood sugar in real time, and wearables like the Whoop band monitor heart rate variability, sleep patterns, and activity levels. Regular consultations with his team of 30 doctors and health experts ensure his plan is comprehensive and effective. Bryan also tests for physical strength, VO2 max, the rate of aging, and even nighttime erections to ensure every aspect of his health is optimized. These additional measurements provide a holistic view of his body's performance and overall vitality. Personalized testing protocols measure the impact of new supplements, dietary changes, and exercise routines. This relentless data collection allows Bryan to make informed adjustments, optimizing every aspect of his lifestyle for longevity. His rigorous testing routine is a testament to his dedication, pushing the boundaries of human potential and living a long, healthy life.